Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to view your game licenses on Steam, as well as how to check any activation keys tied to your account, all directly from the Steam launcher. So without further ado, let's jump right in. To start off, this process is very simple. The first thing you'll want to do is open Steam on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the Steam launcher is open, look toward the top right corner of the window where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on your profile icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Account Details. This will take you to your account information page, where Steam shows all the important details related to your profile. Once you're on this page, look for the option that says View Licenses and Product Key Activations. Click on this option and Steam will now display a full list of all the games and licenses associated with your account. Here, you'll be able to see the names of your games, along with how each one was acquired. For example, if it says Steam Store, that means the game was purchased directly from Steam. If it says complimentary, that usually means the game was added for free, either through a promotion, giveaway, or free-to-play offer. Now, if you want to activate a new Steam key, you can do that by going back to the main Steam window, clicking on Games in the top menu, and then selecting Activate a Product on Steam. From there, simply follow the on-screen instructions and enter your product key. Once it's successfully redeemed, the game and its license will be added to your account and will appear in your licenses list. And that's really all there is to it. This is the easiest way to view all your Steam licenses and activation history in one place. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know down in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.